Namaste, this is a class of pharmaceutical analysis. Today we will see the limit test of sulfur or sodium chloride. So, aim is to perform the limit test of sulfate. So, requirement apparatus is Nestler cylinder 50 ml, beaker, stirrer. Chemicals required is sodium chloride, HCl, sulfuric acid, barium chloride, Curie. The limit test for the sulfate is mainly designed to control sulfate impurities in inorganic substance. It depends upon the parts per million of the sulfate ion with barium sulfate reagent in the presence of dilute HCl. The turbidity so obtained is compared with standard turbidity containing a known amount of sulfate ion. The limit test for sulfate is provided to demonstrate that the content of sulfate does not exceed the limit given in the individual monography in terms of microgram of sulfate per gram of the substance being tested. The solution against which the comparison of turbidity is made content is 480 microgram of SO4, more than the standard barium sulfate suspension. So let's see the procedure. Dissolve the specific quantity of NaCl in 10 ml of distilled water and transfer to a Nestler cylinder. Add 2 ml of diluted HCl, dilute to the 45 ml with distilled water. Add 5 ml of barium sulfate solution. Stir immediately with a glass rod and set aside for 5 minutes. The turbidity produced is not greater than the standard turbidity. So the standard turbidity, take 2.5 ml of 0.01 and H2SO4 in a Nestler cylinder. Add 2 ml of diluted HCl and dilute to the 45 ml with distilled water. Add 5 ml of barium sulfate solution. Stir immediately with the glass rod and set aside for 5 minutes. Then in observation inference, the given sample pass or fail the limit test by seeing the white color which appear in this test. So hope you will understand the sulfate test, sulfate limit test. This we will also perform in the pharmaceutical analysis lab. So for any query you can comment below. Thank you.